Hello, I'm attorney Joseph Nivin, and I'm here to talk about the issues that arise in your divorce. So one question that people have for me is, well, what if he or she doesn't want to get divorced? Can they stop me from getting divorced? The answer is no. If you want a divorce, you can get a divorce. It might make things more difficult if the other person is reluctant, first of all emotionally, and also just make them a little bit more unreasonable in court. But at the same time, nobody can stop you from ultimately getting your divorce. Divorce has become more difficult because of any of 5 issues: custody, maintenance, which a lot of people call alimony, child support, equitable distribution, and counsel fees. So there are 2 very different routes to go in a divorce. One of them is what's called an uncontested divorce. What that means is that you and your spouse have an agreement on all of the 5 issues that I just listed. So if your divorce is uncontested, you will probably never see the inside of a courtroom. What happens is that one person, usually the plaintiff, meaning the person that filed, simply puts together a packet. After you've both signed, we file it with the court, and we wait for the judgment to be entered. And at that point, your marriage is dissolved. The more difficult route is what's called a contested divorce. What that means is that you need a judge to make decisions about any of the 5 issues that I listed earlier.